तो गाइस आज की इस वीडियो में आपका फिर से स्वागत है। तो आज मैं एक A4 साइज़ का पोर्ट्रेट बनाऊंगा, जिसमें मैं कोशिश करूंगा कि रेफरेंस से इमेज मैच हो पाए। अगर मैच हो गई तो एक लाइक सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिएगा। गेट स्टार्ट।
'Cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would.
Dance now, if you want me. Let's start. There's nobody here. Look at how we are. Don't you think we all so perfect, we're in every way? I don't wanna feel everything that was meant to be fading. I don't wanna be your friend. I just wanna be your babe. I don't wanna fade away. So I can't help but sinking into a dance. Yeah, 네 눈엔 내가 있어. 아마는 널 사랑하고 있어. 그걸 아는 순간 두려워. 약간 영원할 수 없는 걸. 사랑한 마음이 애틋해져. 갈 때면 난 정말 소중했어. 영원히 널 간직하고 싶어.